Hi and welcome to our instructional video on keyboard basics. In this video, we'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. To activate your keyboard, you'll have to connect it to your tablet for the first time, as it has shipping mode and cannot be woken up by pressing any key. First, find a level surface and place the keyboard with the pogo pin facing upward. Hold your tablet and align the keyboard's pogo pin with the tablet. Once the pogo pin is well positioned, you will hear a beautiful click sound, which means the connection is successful. The tablet will automatically transfer pairing information to the keyboard upon attachment. When you switch to Bluetooth mode, the keyboard will automatically pair and connect with your tablet. Just make sure the tablet's Bluetooth function is turned on before pairing and connecting. When the keyboard is low on power, the red indicator on the Bluetooth key will flash. Once attached to the tablet, the keyboard will be charged automatically, and the red indicator will continue to flash until the battery level reaches about 80%. It may take about 2 hours to fully charge the keyboard. During the first connection, it needs to be activated by physically connecting to the tablet. When the keyboard is detached from the tablet, the blue indicator on the Bluetooth key will automatically light up, and it will pair and reconnect with the tablet. If it successfully reconnects or cannot detect the signal after 20 seconds, the blue indicator will stop flashing. If the keyboard is not connected to any devices, it needs to be manually paired. Press and hold the Bluetooth key for 5 seconds, and the blue indicator on the Bluetooth key will keep flashing, indicating the keyboard is ready for pairing and connecting. If it is successfully connected or cannot connect after 60 seconds, the blue indicator will stop flashing. In Bluetooth mode, the keyboard will automatically enter sleep mode after 30 seconds of inactivity. Press a key or operating the touchpad will wake it up and exit sleep mode.